Serpstat SEO Tool Full Review. Features, strengths, weaknesses. Links to Serpstat are in the description below. Let's dive right in. Serpstat is an all-in-one SEO platform designed for businesses, agencies, and SEO professionals who want a comprehensive toolkit for improving their search rankings. It combines several essential SEO features including keyword research, competitor analysis, site audits, backlink analysis, and rank tracking. One of the standout features of Serpstat is its keyword research tool, which allows users to discover new keywords based on search volume, difficulty, and potential traffic. It also provides detailed SERP analysis to help you understand the competitive landscape for any keyword, offering insights into the top-ranking pages and their backlink profiles. Additionally, Serpstat includes a site audit tool that scans your website for technical issues, such as broken links, missing meta tags, or page speed problems, and offers actionable recommendations. The strengths of Serpstat lie in its comprehensive feature set and user-friendly interface. It covers almost every aspect of SEO, from research to reporting, making it a great option for businesses that need an all-in-one tool. The backlink analysis tool is another notable strength, providing users with valuable insights into their link-building strategy and helping identify high-quality backlink opportunities. Its affordable pricing plans also make it a competitive option compared to other SEO tools like Ahrefs or SEMrush, offering good value for the features provided. However, Serpstat has a few weaknesses. While it's a solid all-in-one tool, it doesn't specialize in any one area, meaning that more advanced users may find its data to be less detailed compared to niche tools like Ahrefs or Majestic. Additionally, the backlink database is smaller than that of its competitors, meaning some link data may not be as comprehensive. The rank tracking feature is functional, but lacks the depth found in more dedicated rank trackers. Overall, Serpstat is an excellent choice for businesses or agencies looking for an affordable, all-in-one SEO solution. If you need more advanced or detailed data, you might need to supplement it with other tools. Check the link in the description to explore Serpstat and see if it fits your SEO needs.